I'm a goddamn individual. Sense of self makes me indivisible. With a flow that's so irresistible. And I've been running this like an elliptical. Inadmissible in my physical. Habitual is inexplicable.
Hey you guys, welcome back to Half Baked Hair Review. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Zury Sis from the Barbie doll collection in the style Faris. I have it in the color Sombre RT2730. So this is what the stock card looks like. And it is a pre-braided unit with single lace parting down the middle. So let me just take it out of the box and show you guys what it looks like. So straight out of the box, this is what Faris looks like. It looks like a nice natural length. It's not too long at all. It also comes with this pre-styled fishtail. So this is what the front looks like. It comes with baby hairs as well, going around the crown. The inside of the cap construction has two combs right next to that center parting, one comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. So let me just pop this on and show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like with the lace still on. It is already fitting my head pretty snug and I haven't adjusted the straps at all. It's not super tight, but if you do have a larger size head, I would stray on the side of caution because just like I said, it already is fitting my head pretty snug without any adjustments. I like the fact that the lace is darker, so that should be easier to blend. You can see these baby hairs it comes with. The parting is already looking pretty good. So I'm just going to cut off the lace, add some concealer, and see what we can do with this. guys, so I'm not going to really be doing any styling with this unit since it is already pre-styled, and I'm not going to take the braids out. So this unit is pretty full. The texture is medium Yaki. I'm not really getting any tangling and shedding. I am getting a little bit of tangles, but nothing too serious. It's nice and full. This is all of the hair to the front. I feel like this is just like a really cute throw on and go style if you're like trying to go out in, I don't know, this would be cute for like prom, or if you're going on a nice little dinner date, or you just want to go to the club or something like that. Because the density, even though it's full, it's not too heavy at all. It's pretty lightweight. I think the style is simple and elegant and cute at the same time. So this is all the hair to the front. This is to the side. And this is to the back. So one thing I did notice for sure was the fact that the ear tabs are lifting up some, but that also could be because I didn't glue it down, just because I'm doing multiple reviews and I didn't want to sort of spend even more time trying to glue it down. Just to show you, I wanted to give you like a general idea of what it looked like. The baby hairs were kind of hard to get to lay down, but I try to kind of use the longer baby hairs on the side to mask the lace, which kind of worked out. But I feel like if you took it out, you can always just mask this whole lace situation, lifting up, going down, with just having the hair come more sort of to the front for you. Yeah, so this was just a pretty quick review on this unit. I haven't worn it out yet, so I can't really give you an update on how it's holding up. But just from the texture alone and the curl pattern, I feel like you could get a good amount of wear out of it. Yeah, and like I said at the beginning of the video, I don't think this is super big head friendly. I would err on the side of caution for that, but it definitely is small to medium head friendly. Yeah, so that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I didn't do the best job with the baby hairs, so bear with me because I'm not really the greatest at that. I'm still working on it and trying to grow. Okay, you guys, so first and foremost, I just want to thank you for whoever entered into the giveaway and followed the rules. So to make this fair for everybody, I used one of those random number generators. So I just stuck in the numbers from 1 to 100, so this is completely random. I kind of had to do it a couple times though, just because some of the numbers that popped up weren't numbers that people had entered into the comments. So the first number is going to be 25, and I'll just show you guys so you can see I'm not lying or anything like that. So congratulations to number 25. And the next one is to number 50. So congratulations on the 2 winners. For each, I'm gonna just give you guys, I'll give one person the super curly, and I'll give the other person the Faris. I'll reach out to you and just get your information so I can see where to send it to. And as you saw, I posted the clips of what the units look like. These are not going to come like with the lace and everything on, since I literally did the reviews on them and then packed them away. So I mean, it's still like the unit's new because I didn't wear it out and about or anything like that. I literally just wore it to do the styling and for the review. So it's not going to come with the stock card or anything like that, but I did put it back in the netting and inside the packaging, so it should be fine when you get it. So congratulations to the winners, and thank you guys so much for entering into the contest. And if anybody out there, if you lost, don't be disgruntled or anything like that, because I am going to keep doing giveaways. I'm almost at my next goal of 200, so there definitely will be another one coming up when I hit that 200 mark, and it'll be different units that time. So I just want to thank you guys a lot for the support. I really appreciate it, and I hope that you guys like this review, and I hope that the winners are excited about their giveaway gifts. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.